3 questions. Question number 1. John bought 2 bus tickets, one for himself and one for his sister. The tickets each cost the same. The bus driver asks for 50p for the tickets. How much did each ticket cost? So each tickets, 2 tickets, cost 50p, which means that one ticket is 50p divided by 2. Two into 5 goes twice. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down the next number, which is 0. 2s into 10 go 5 times. So if 2 tickets cost 50p, 1 ticket costs 25p or 25 pence. 6 bags of crisps cost £3. How much does each bag cost? This is a division, a relatively straightforward division. We're going to divide £3 by 6. We use the division symbol, 6 on the outside and 3 on the inside. It's important that we remember the decimal point, unless of course we wanted to convert the pounds into pence, which would be £3 is 300 pence or 300p. But I'm going to stick with decimals on this. So 6 into 3 doesn't go. 6 into 30 goes 5 times, and it actually goes exactly 5 times, because 6 times 5 equals 30. So there'll be no remainder. So 0.5 pounds is 50p, is the same as so one bag of crisps costs 0.5 pounds or 50p. Question number 3. Peter is buying lunch for himself and his friend at the cafe. Sandwiches cost £2 each, cakes cost $2.50 each, and a juice cost $1.15 per glass. Peter decides to buy 2 sandwiches, 2 cakes and 2 glasses of juice. How much money does he need? So 2 times £2 for the sandwiches, which equals £4. 2 times £2.50 for the cakes equals £5, and 2 glasses of juice, 2 times £1.15 equals £2.30. Add all of those up. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So that's £11.30. He needs £11.30. How much change will he get from a £20 note? £20 pounds minus £11.30. 0 from 0 is 0. 0 minus 3 you can't do. So again we're going to be borrowing from the 20. So that becomes 10, and we put 10 there, but then we're borrowing it straight away again, so that becomes 9, and that becomes 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. So the change will be £8.70p from a £20 note. Question number 4. Jane needs to buy Christmas presents for her 4 children. She has decided to buy a trampoline costing £99.50 for all of them to share, a construction set costing £28.40 for her son Peter, a console game costing £42.80 for her other son James, and 2 dolls costing £17.96 each for her daughters. How much money will she need to pay for all the Christmas presents for her children? So, the trampoline, £99.50. £99.50p. The construction set, £28.40, and the console game, £42.80, and she's going to buy 2 dolls. So it would be, we can either write the dolls down twice, or we can multiply the £17.96 before we add it all up together. Now here's a little tip that might help. 1796 is nearly 18. 2 times 18 is 36. So if we were to take the 4p off, because £17.96 plus 4 is 18. So 2 times 4p is 8p. So that would mean that the 2 dolls would cost £36 minus 8p. So we're going to borrow from there 5, 10, but that becomes 9, and then that becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 0 is 9. 5, there's nothing to take from the 5 or the 3, so that's 35. So the 2 dolls will cost £35.92p. And add all of that up together. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 plus 4 is 9. Plus 8 is 17. Plus 9 is 26. 6 and carry the 2. 9 and 8 is 17, and 2 is 19, and 5 is 24, and 2 is 26. 6, carry the 2. 9 and 2 is 11, and 4 is 15, and 3 is 18, and 2 is 20. So the total cost is £206.62. So £206.62. Jane has saved £300 to spend on Christmas. When she has paid for her children's presents, how much money will she have left over? So that's £300 minus £206.62. Right, so we're going to have to borrow from the £300, so that becomes 2. Put 100 there, but we have to borrow again, so it becomes 9. 1. Borrow again, 9. 1. Borrow again, 9. 1. 2 from 10 is 8. 9 minus 6 is 3. Don't forget the decimal point. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 0 is 9. 2 from 2 is 0. So she will have £93.38 change. Number 5. A week after Jane buys the Christmas presents, the trampoline has reduced in price by $7.99, the console game by $4.99, and the dolls by $1.99 each. If she had waited until the prices of the presents had been reduced, how much money would Jane have saved? Now, it might be quite tempting to go back and look at the price of the trampoline and just take $7.99 from it. But in fact, you're being given how much the money savings are. And when you also look at what the savings are, you can see that they're all very close to whole pounds. So rather than making this a complicated sum, to start with, it might be a good idea to make it a simpler sum. So let's take $7.99 and recognise that that is a penny less than £8. Minus 0.01. Similarly, $4.99 is £5 minus a penny, and $1.99, but remember we've got 2 of those, so $1.99, so we have 2 lots of $1.99, which is 2 lots of £2 minus 2 lots 0.01. So when you look at these, if we were to add the whole pounds up, we've got £8 plus £5 plus £13 plus 2 times £2, which is £4, which would come to £17, minus penny there, penny there, penny, a penny, and 2p here. So it would be minus 0.04, which would give us £16.96. Okay, and it is quite handy to look for quick ways of approaching a question, rather than, as over here, we would have had to add up all of those 9s together, whereas if we made them whole pounds, it made the sum a lot easier. So we've worked out, with the price reductions, Jane would have saved £16.96. And so how much money would she have left from the £300 she had saved if she had had this saving? Well, we've already worked out that she had £93.38 before the reductions in price. So it's a case of adding £93.38 and the additional saving to find out how much money she would have left over. 8 and 6 is 14, down to 4, carry the 1. 3 and 9 and 12, 3 and 9 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 3 and carry the 1. 3 and 6 is 9 and 1 is 10. 0, carry the 1. 9 and 1 is 10 and 1 is 11. So with the savings she would have had £110.34 left over from the £300.